In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register BMO Harris Online Banking 2025, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start your application online and what each screen is asking for, so you can move through it with confidence. Begin by opening your web browser and searching for BMO Harris Bank. Click through to the official BMO site and look for the page labeled Online Banking. Sign in and bank online. Always confirm you're on a secure BMO domain before entering any personal details. From the online banking page, navigate to Checking and Savings, then select Bank Accounts. Here, you'll see several checking options. Review the features and fees to find the best fit for you. Common choices include BMO Smart Advantage, checking for everyday banking, BMO Smart Money Checking, if you prefer a simplified option, and BMO Relationship Checking, if you keep higher balances and want added benefits. When you're ready, click Open Now on the account you want. You may be asked whether you'd like to bundle a savings builder account with your checking. Choose yes or no based on your savings goals, then click Continue to move ahead. Next, you'll enter your contact information. Provide your full legal name exactly as it appears on your identification. Add a valid email address and a reachable phone number, as these are used for security and updates. Enter your residential address and use address line 2 only if needed for apartment or unit details. Fill in your city, state, and zip code. Select your date of birth, then enter your social security number or ITIN. Choose your citizenship status and employment status accurately, as these are required for identity verification and regulatory purposes. You'll also pick your debit card style. If you don't want a debit card, check the option indicating you prefer not to receive one. If available for your account, you can opt in to receive 5 complimentary checks. Choose whether you're opening an individual account or a joint account. Read the terms and conditions carefully, then check the box to confirm you agree. If you have a promo code, select the promo option and enter the code exactly as provided. Finally, review everything for accuracy, ensuring names, addresses, and numbers match your official documents. When everything looks correct, click Submit Application. You're all set. Watch for confirmation from BMO with next steps and keep your email handy in case additional verification is needed.